Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix if your ChatGPT is not working. Either it's GPT-4 or GPT 3.5. Maybe something went wrong and basically it doesn't work for you. So the first thing to do is go ahead and check your Wi-Fi connection, if it's good or not. Uh, For example, for me, the internet connection is pretty great. Also, make sure you don't use a VPN because sometimes it doesn't work with that. So turn off your VPN. Now, one other thing you need to do is go ahead to your browser settings and click on right there. After that, just click Privacy and Security and go ahead and clear the third-party cookies. Click right there and see all site data and permissions. You can either delete all data or just choose which websites you want to go ahead and clear. Another great thing, which will probably fix your ChatGPT, is go ahead and clear browsing data. So just click Browsing Data. And now you will be able to choose browsing data, but we can actually leave it. The most important thing would be cookies and other site data and cached images and files. And you want to go ahead and delete it for the time when you use ChatGPT and then clear data. And that should definitely fix your ChatGPT problem. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.